Extreme Saturdays is offered 5 times a year this year. LTU being a theory and practice university. This is more on the practice side where we really get a chance to see if the drone technology is fit for me. If I'm a student and this may be the one opportunity that I can make that decision, I want to keep going. So it's important for LTU to have that open door, that sort of diverse look at all the different technologies that are coming out now, including this unmanned aerial vehicle technology called drones.
I gravitate more towards art, but science, like robotics like this, kind of interests me because they deal with the future. So today we came into the classroom and we met Mr. Ty. He's pretty nice. We kind of got an introduction to the anatomy of drones. It'd be cool to see drones in the future, like delivering Amazon packages.
This event is geared towards testing drones, having some fun, experimenting if you haven't flown one before. We even had a race competition.
The Ecotech students kind of passed around drone parts, and then we went to fly some ourselves.
I learned from students what different people are interested in. There's other things to do besides just sports or just a regular 9 to 5. You can be an environmental scientist pretty much. You could go enjoy the outdoors if that's what you like. You don't have to be stuck inside the office all day long. Science is such a broad topic. You have many different forms of science that you could do. So you're not always limited to one thing.
When you think about the greats, and you can name all the, whether it's in sports, technology, or whatever, they never stop learning. So you want to come on out here and be a part of a sort of a fun, festive environment, but yet an environment where you can learn.